Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this tutorial, we are going to show working of index and match formulae both separately and together. Like VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, index match function is used to retrieve value from a table array. Our today's example consists of list of trains which travel from Pune to Mumbai city and how using index match we will retrieve the arrival time of the trains at the particular station. First, let's understand index function. Index function returns the cell value of the table array based on a row and column value inserted in the formula. This example will clear your thoughts. The first argument is array, in which we are going to select a table array, that is C10 to P26. Then in second argument, let's write 7, which is row number, and in third, let's write 3, which is column number. We got 7:15 am, which is value in 7th row and in third column of the entire table. While in index function, we can retrieve a cell value based on the cell position, in match function, we can retrieve a cell position based on cell values. In the first argument, we will link lookup value. For example, I want to know what cell position does 7:15 am has. In second argument, we will link table array, and the third argument is optional. We can either leave it blank or can use 1, 0 or -1 in it. Providing 0 will give us an exact match, while providing 1 or -1 will give us next smallest match and next largest match respectively. Now, for example, we want to know that at what time does a particular train leaves Pune station. In cell D5, we will use drop down of all the trains. I'll go under ribbon data and click on data validation. Here in the validation criteria, we will select list. Now we will select the list of all the trains. Now if you come in cell D5, you will see a drop down of all the list of trains which has been listed in below cells. I will click on plus sign here, which has hidden rows, which is from data ribbon, where we can group ungroup rows and columns without deleting them. We will cover the same in coming tutorials. In cell E4 and F4, we already have drop down of railway stations similar to cell D5. Now cell E5 has formula which has train time of Deccan Queen, and I want to change the same to Chennai Express. I can either change the row reference. For example, I will change row number from 7 to 10. We will get arriving time for Chennai Express at Pune. However, this is not dynamic and I have to adjust the formula every time I change train name from the drop-down. Now we can make this dynamic using match function inside the index function. Let's use the same in place of row number. I will write here match lookup value, which will be D5, lookup array, which will be D10 to D26, and will keep match type to 0. Close the bracket and click enter. Now if I change the train name to Mahalakshmi Express, we will see the change in time. We can check the same manually in the table array. We have used match functions for making rows dynamic. Now let's try to make column dynamic as well. We will remove hardcode number and again use match function. Our lookup value will be railway station, that is E4. Our array will be cell range C9 to P9, and let's take match type as 0. We just made the formula dynamic. Now let's use $sign to make the formula draggable and paste the same in cell F5 and cell G4. If you are not familiar with $sign, then click here to learn about the same. You will see in cell F5 we got the arrival time of the train at Mumbai. We can change the drop down of the train and stations and we will get the arrival time of the selected train. An additional feature of MS Excel. While working on a table array, we are required to scroll down the cursor to look for value. However, in doing so, we are not able to see the headers. For example, now in the screen, I am not able to see the station name. For the same, we can use freeze pane. Let's come to cell C10, go to view, ribbon and click on freeze pane. You will see a horizontal and a vertical line appearing on the screen. The same are freezing the screen. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to see the headings of the row despite scrolling the screen. So apart from index match, Hope you have taken notes of freeze pane, data validation, and group ungroup feature in MS Excel. If yes, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.